Hey guys, happy October. I am so glad that you're here. Fall is in full swing. I'm coming to you from my kitchen today because we are cooking up some amazing things to help you with your travel business. This month, I want you to head over to YouTube and subscribe and ring that notification bell because we're going to be covering some amazing topics that are going to help you. Starting off with how to tackle top travel agent fears, how to get rid of those mindset monsters, and also we're going to be covering magical marketing you should be doing in your travel business right now to grow and to thrive. And we're also going to be talking about how to perform, from a mad scientist perspective, how to perform emergency surgery on your travel business if you are struggling. So there's some great fall themed content coming your way, and I don't want you to miss a thing, so remember to ring that notification bell. The next thing I invite you to do is come on over to Facebook and join my free community. This is my tribe called Careers on Vacation. I'm going to put all these links below that I'm talking about so it's easy for you guys to find them. But in the Careers on Vacation group that's on Facebook, once you're inside, there's some additional great resources, and it's a great community to be a part of, especially if you're in the travel industry. Also, if you're inside that group, you're going to have the opportunity to show up to my live streams every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Central. Mark your calendars. I go live in that group and I teach you something about growing your travel business. So not only are you going to get that great content, but you're also going to have the opportunity to interact with me live and ask questions. And it's really just a ton of fun. Have coffee, talk travel. It's a great time. So I encourage you to do that. The last thing I want to tell you about, if you are new or thinking about getting into the travel industry, or you're in that struggle phase where you're just at a plateau and you're not moving forward and you feel like you're repeating the same lackluster year again and again, go get my free masterclass, the 5 shifts to a 6-figure travel business and beyond. That's a great masterclass, and where a lot of my clients start their journey to learn what they really need to do, the shifts that they need to make to be a bigger play in the travel industry, to build their businesses and start on that path to building bigger and stronger. Last thing, guys, if you are really serious and you're like, Cyndi, just bottom line it for me, give me the roadmap. I want to learn what all of your clients have learned. I see all these badges out on the internet and all these certifications that are happening out there. If you just want to get to the good stuff and you want to get into my 12-week mastermind, you can apply by going to careersonvacation.com/ready now. Once you do that, you're going to meet with one of my enrollment coaches. We're going to learn about your goals, and if it's a match for us to work together, we'll talk to you about how to apply for the program. That's my 12-week mastermind, what I do every day, teach people just like you how to launch, grow, and scale. So guys, that's it. That's all of the cool stuff we're cooking up for you this October. I hope you're enjoying it, and I hope you're having an amazing fall wherever you are in the world. I wish you so much love, so much abundance. I wish you the world. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color.